right, welcome back. We are seeing a spike in whooping cough or pertussis cases across the country right now, and the Centers for Disease Control say cases have quadrupled since last year. Whooping cough is spread when someone who is infected coughs, sneezes, or breathes close to another person. The CDC says it has already seen more than 14,000 cases this year compared to about 3,000 the year before. The agency says that could be due to a dip in vaccinations during the pandemic.
Still do see spikes in cases about every 3 to 5 years. We think the past few years we've been treated to this less than the number of average cases, probably because of the pandemic and wearing masks, being more careful when we're sick.
Early symptoms of whooping cough may be similar to a common cold. Then they progress into a persistent and violent cough. The coughing episodes could last for weeks or even months. Babies under 6 months old are at most risk. Symptoms for those children include coughing and difficulty breathing, if you were curious.